Ngibuka uJesu lana uphilisa amadoda ayishumi aze kuyena azokhala ngesifo sawo aphethwe uChoko. uChoko is leprosy in English. And so bayakhala lana but say we are quite stricken, and if you understand the context there and what used to transpire when you were suffering with the leprosy, you were kind of ostracized. Wawubekwa le nje by the gates, tunga associate nabantu. But I'm looking at Jesus, man. Yazi uJesu bengena kuwo wonke ama-ends, man. Bengena kuyo yonke iminyango, man. uJesu bengeka azavele in the lineage of Rahab, man. Esifebeni, I know, man. There's something about this Jesus and familiarizing himself with the dirt. And you'd expect Jesus to be the perfect version, and as fully as he was God and as fully as he was human, he would tap into all areas. uJesu man ubengahambi ngama-Lamborghini, man. If we put it into context, ubengahambi nama-Lamborghini, ube-associate with anyone and everyone, and kube ukuthi la kungcole khona yena obefuna ukothinta khona, athi la ngispecialize khona-ke ngoba mina umsebenzi wami is to dust you off and clean the dirt. And so ngiyambuka lana, he's not even afraid. Uyasondela kubona beza kuyena, and it was believed ukuthi nani leprosy at that time was very it's contagious, ubuconsidered as unclean if ubunalesa sifo lesi. And so 10 men come to him azokhala ngokuthi nana they're struggling with leprosy and they are ostracized, and akekho sabanakile, bahlele emagatini and akufanele basondele kubantu, uyabo. But Jesus, being God and being man, bazombikela. uJesu akenzi lutho. Uyazi uthini? Uthi, go show yourselves to the priest. Kwakuyini umsebenzi wama-priest? Kwakuwukuthi bebanike i-go ahead ukuthi yes, now you are healed, go and associate with abantu all over again. uJesu akabahili immediately. Uthi, go show yourselves to the priest. Lithi iBhayibheli, as they left, they got healed. As they left, they got healed. Obedience engaka. Sometimes it's all about obedience to the word. Instruction. It's all about obeying the instruction. What was said. Ukuthi akwenzeki manje. As you go, it will happen. As you leave, Jesus has given you a clear instruction. Go show yourself to the priest. Kahle kahle uJesu is already on the other end, because the only time you say that is when you are guaranteed about the person's healing. And so look at Jesus being at the starting point. Already he's at the finishing point. He's saying, go show yourself to the priest, which means mina ngikubuka from the narrow of being healed. And when you're still here, lithi iBhayibheli, as they left, that's when their healing occurred. That's when their healing happened. And so it might not happen whilst we're still asking it from God, but it's gonna happen as you go on, as you exercise your faith. Because listen to this one. Lithi iBhayibheli, out of these 10 men, eyodwa yabuya izobonga ukuthi yes, as we left indeed we got healed. And so I'm here to say thank you. To Jesu, how? What happened to the rest? Because my faith went ahead and it believed that all of you got healed. What happened to the rest? Why didn't they come back to say thank you? Hey, Uthi, go show yourselves to the priest that you are healed. Ungakapholi, ungakakutholi okufunayo. Go show yourself. Go to the world that was giving you that report about you to say, no, you are not there. You are not there yet. Go show yourself to them, because it's going to happen as you go on. It's going to happen as you move on, as you go ahead, as you move from this position. Wasika help from God, and God is giving you a go ahead to say, go show yourself. and listen to this man with a sense of gratitude. Oh Jesu, uyalikholelwa kangaka izwi lakho ukuthi nana, I know all 10 of you were healed, and then why are you back uyi-1? What happened to the rest? What happened to the others? Hey! Uthi, okay, go then. Your faith has made you well. Now I'm asking myself, what happened to the other 9? Iphi gratitude, guys. uNkulunkulu mesasenzele sikufunayo, kungani singabuyi ukobonga? And sithi sizenze thina, and that was the downfall phela ya-Israel. And uNkulunkulu behlala bakhumbuza ukuthi nana, when you are in Canaan, when you've made it out of Egypt, don't forget where I took you from. Don't forget the mud I pulled you out of. And so I hope and pray we go back to say thank you, and be rest assured your healing will find you as you go on. As you go on.